Introduction to Text and Graphic Content Creation. In Basic Science and Mathematics Multimedia Enhanced Lessons, text and graphics are very important components. They help learners in achieving desired learning outcomes, especially for different categories of learners, particularly the visual and multimodal learners. Text is one of the foundational elements of multimedia. It can be used in providing information, conveying messages, or guiding the learners through the multimedia experience. Text is often combined with other media elements to enhance understanding and engagement of learners. This includes written content such as headlines, captions, and body text. Text is used to provide information and context to the multimedia presentation. In multimedia, text is mostly used for titles, headlines, menu, paragraph, list, and many others. Creating multimedia text is multidimensional and it is relative to the content that will be produced. The most commonly used software for viewing and creating text files are Microsoft Word, Notepad, WordPad, and many others. Text is often found in other multimedia creation tools and software to give the user the convenience of integrating text in other multimedia elements. Designing and formatting text. Text can be formatted in different styles, shapes, formats, and sizes. Effects can be added to text to make it dynamic and changing to enhance engagement and retain attention. Text can be formatted using various tools depending on the content to be produced and the software or application you are using. While using a multimedia tool like Microsoft PowerPoint, engaging text can be created using the simple PowerPoint tools. Graphics and images, on the other hand, are visual elements that are used to enhance the overall appeal of multimedia content. They can be photographs, illustrations, icons, or charts and graphs. Graphics and images help in conveying emotions, representing data visually, and creating visual interests. Creating graphics or images require creativity to effectively present the idea, the concept, or information the teacher intends to pass. Graphic and picture format. There are different graphic file formats depending on the nature of the content you intend to create. The most common formats are as follows: Tagged Image File Format, or TIFF. These are lossless image files which do not lose any image quality or information. Although there are options for compression, TIFF images allow very high quality images and larger file sizes. Such image formats are best used for high quality prints, professional publications, and archival copies. They can also be saved as transparent. Bitmap, or BMP image file, is a format developed by Microsoft for Windows. There is no compression or information loss with BMP files. This allows images to have very high quality and also retain very large file sizes. Due to the bitmap images being a copyrighted format, it is generally deprecated in favor of tagged image file format files. Using bitmap images in a multimedia enhanced lesson will require having a copyright approval from Microsoft. JPEG, which stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group, is a lossy format which means the image is compressed to make a smaller file. The compression does create a loss in quality, but this loss is generally not noticeable. JPEG files are very common on the internet. They are popular formats for digital cameras, mobile phone cameras, making it ideal for web use and non-professional prints. JPEG images are efficient for high-quality scan and archival copies. It is convenient for integration into various multimedia applications and software like video editing softwares, graphic and image softwares, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Paintbrush, amongst others. It is also suitable for online and social media platforms. GIF or graphics interchange format files are widely used for web graphics because they are limited to only 256 colors. They can allow for transparency and can be animated. GIF files are typically small in size and very portable. They are regarded as lossless because they retain their quality after compression. They can be animated and are more suitable for web images. PNG or portable network graphic files are lossless image formats originally designed to improve upon and replace the GIF format. PNG files are able to handle up to 16 million colors, unlike the 256 colors supported by GIF. PNG files are best known for having transparent backgrounds, making it convenient for video productions, presentations, and graphic design. They are also suitable for multimedia creation software, web images, infographics, presentations, amongst others. An EPS or encapsulated PostScript file is a common vector file type. EPS files can be opened in many illustration applications such as Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. It is best used for vector artwork and illustrations. Raw images are images that are unprocessed that have been created by a camera or scanner. Many digital SLR cameras can shoot in RAW, whether it be RAW, CR2, or NEF. These raw images are the equivalent of a digital negative, meaning that they hold a lot of image information. They need to be processed in an editor such as Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom and similar editing softwares. Taking quality pictures for multimedia enhanced lessons. A photograph is worth 1,000 words, through which a complex idea can be conveyed with just a single still image. Pictures make it possible to absorb large amounts of data quickly. Using photographs for explaining complex phenomena is one of the teaching aids of modern education system that is practical all over the world. To take quality pictures for multimedia enhanced lessons, it is important to consider the following tips. Use good lighting. Good lighting is essential for taking quality pictures. You can use natural light or artificial light to illuminate your subject. If you're using artificial light, it is important to consider how the subject is exposed to the lighting. Consider using not too harsh or too dim lighting on your subject. Use a tripod. A tripod can help you stabilize your camera and prevent blurry pictures. It is especially useful when taking pictures in low light conditions. It also gives you the ability to maintain focus on your subject. Use the rule of thirds. This can help you create visually appealing pictures. It involves dividing your frame into thirds, both horizontally and vertically, and placing your subject at the intersection of these lines. Use a high-resolution camera. A high-resolution camera can help you capture more detail in your pictures. If you do not have a high-resolution camera, you can use your smartphone camera, which can also take high-quality pictures. Edit your pictures. Editing your pictures can help you enhance their quality. You can use photo editing softwares to adjust the brightness, contrast, and colors of your pictures. By applying these simple tips, you will be able to create a very good picture quality for your multimedia enhanced lesson. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you.